You're the winner. It's not a joke.
No way, no way.
Yeah, dude. I don't know if you followed the Build It All on YouTube, but it is a beautiful car. You're absolutely gonna love it.
I've been looking at that thing for weeks.
Awesome. I think that's probably the best reaction we've had from a winner, man, so I appreciate that. Well, congrats, man. It's a beautiful car. You're gonna love it, and we have a check for $20,000 for you. Take care of the taxes or anything else you need. Within the next couple of weeks, we'll get you down here to San Diego. I think you're in Northern California, is that right?
Yes, I am.
Okay, cool. So yeah, within the next couple of weeks, we'll get you down here in San Diego. You get to pick up your new car and a check for 20K. How's that sound?
Dude, that's awesome.
And we'll shoot you an email within the next couple days with some more info. And thanks again for being a Throttle VIP. Thanks again for placing your orders with Throttle. We really appreciate it. And we'll see you soon.
Peace out, man. Congratulations. Good one. Bye.
See ya. Bye.
Have a good one.
The F80 M3 is completely finished, and I love this car.